So I'm going to do demo 2 for you. First, you need to understand these two questions. We want to say they enter two number, and what they want is they want the first number. Okay, the first number is the lowest. Okay, they want the lower is the first number. All right. So in case the first number is not lowest, in case the first number is not lowest, and we swap. Understand? Okay. So number 2, we wanted to enter two integer. So why don't we start it right now? We're going to do so here integer first number, integer second number. Is that okay? All right. So we're going to do this integer first number and second number. Okay, so we got this right now. Now we're going to enter the first number and second number. So the first number we want to do like this. CL enter integer first num, CL enter another integer second num. Can we do that right now? So input prompt CL enter the first number. Okay, then they put the here, they don't put end of line, and sorry, semicolon, space, and semicolon, and in first num. CL enter another number. Sorry. And in and second num. All right. So far, okay. Now this one, we want to do this. What happens if they are equal? Okay. If they are equal, then we don't have a lowest num and highest num. So we're going to say, and here now I need you to check the other thing right here is called comparison variables. Okay, comparison variables. These are comparison variable. Very important is equal. Is called equal. All right, equal. Let me back. Equal is equal. So if the first number equals second number, you want to write like that. If first num, you want to write equal because it's compare. So if the first number equal, but you have to write equal. If the first number is equal to second number, compare equal, then you want to say CL these two numbers are equal. All right, so we don't need to do anything, the swap, nothing. Is okay? No swapping. Else, then we're going to get into a swapping story right now. Do you understand? Right here, when the first number equal second number, which these two numbers are equal, we stop. We don't want to get into the swapping story. Is that okay? Now, we want to do this. Okay? Remember, this question is not very logic, very beautiful, but this question is telling you this. Okay? You are going to do this. Is the lowest number is the first. Okay? The lowest number is first. So now we are going to do this right now. So we're going to first check if, okay, inside here. So there's a if else statement inside the if else statement. Understand? So if we say first num, all right, we want to say if first num is greater than second num, because we want the first one num is smaller. All right, so inside here, and you put parentheses. You understand? So inside here, we are going to do the thing like the PowerPoint tell you. It's okay? Like the PowerPoint tell you. So you want to put integer temp equals 0. Okay, the swapping thing is okay. So let's do it right now. So you're going to do integer temp equals 0. Okay, then you're going to say first num equal second num. It's okay. Oh, hold on. I need to save the into the temp first. Okay, my fault. I need to say temp is first num. Okay, temp will be assigned from first num, and I have to type correctly. Okay. All right. Then first num will be assigned from second num, and I also need to type correctly. Oh God, I'm bad, right? So first num equals second num. All right. So now in second num and come from temp, not come from first num. All right, everybody, you understand this right now? All right, everybody understand this right now? Oh, okay. Okay. So right here, so now I am going to do this right now. So if the first num greater than second num, and here we do temp we swap right now. Is that okay? So then you are going to write it down here. So now if so let me ask you this logic question right now. So if first num greater than second num, we swap. So if first num is lower than second num, we don't need to swap. So either way, we're going to find out here the lowest. So see how the lower number is, now you already know the lower number is first num because we swap it already. All right, and see how the higher number equals second num. All right, so do you understand? Let me see, do I anything wrong? All right, so far okay. Understand now? So this question is, if they are equal, we're going to stop. These two numbers are equal. We won't get into the else statement. That's why you need to know this. If I have more than one, I to use bracket, curly braces. That's entire unit. All right, now I get into this. If the first is greater than second, I swap. Otherwise, the lowest one is always the first one. Let's run this program right now. Okay, we're going to try 3 situations. First is they are equal, and see if they say these two numbers are equal. The second, the first number right here, we're going to put the first number is smaller. Then the third case, we put first number is larger. So let's run it right now. So build it. And I'm going to start without debugging. Now without debugging. So I'm going to put 10 and 10. So these two numbers are equal and stop. Okay. And let's run it one more time. And that's a case 1. They are equal. So they stop right here. Let's do the second case. The second case is the first number. I'm going to put first number smaller. 5, 10 like this. All right. 5, 10. So we know the lowest will be 5. The second is, they don't need to swap. They don't need to swap. So I'm going to start without debugging. So I'm going to put 5 and I'm going to put 10. All right. So 5 and 10. So this time they don't need to go through the swapping because it's smaller. So they don't need to go through line 18, 19, 20, 21. There's not such a thing. But let's run this right now. I'm going to write another one, and I'm going to say, okay, 10 and 5. Okay, now they swap. They have to go through the swap because the first is greater than 10. They have to swap. All right, so this is your demo 2. I hope you understand it. I hope you like this example. All right,